YouTube. It's me, Carolyn. Welcome back to my channel. Our outing was beautiful. I'm heading back to the car. We just left out of Joann Fabric, and I got the best reaction. Like, this lady came over, they started picking up the babies. I'm so sorry I didn't get it on tape here, but it was absolutely wonderful. They asked me for my number. They started asking me about the babies and everything. It was just beautiful. I mean, really, really beautiful reaction from people. So, I mean, I don't know why people are scared, like, to do outings and stuff with their babies. I understand that some people may act kind of funny, but I've had nothing but the best reactions today. I'm at the van now. I'm getting ready to put both Sophia and Cody. There they are. She's not buckled in right now because, like I said, people were picking her up and wanting to look at her and just thought that they were absolutely amazing. And little Cody here. So with that being said, we're going to get them put back in the car, and I'll talk to you guys in a minute.